Welcome back to channel. Today we're covering how to build an emergency fund. This financial cushion is crucial for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills, helping you avoid debt and stress. Ideally, you should aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Here's how to get started. First, set a goal and budget. Decide how much you need and break it into a monthly savings target. For example, if you need $3,000 in 6 months, save $500 each month. Second, open a separate savings account for your emergency fund to keep it distinct from your regular money. Look for a high-yield account to earn some interest. Finally, automate your savings with automatic transfers to make regular saving easy and consistent. Building an emergency fund takes time, but starting with these steps will get you on the right track. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.